back again. It's been this way constant since about 12:30 with these welfare brats out here, unsupervised, running wild, plotting, planning, pelting stones and sticks at both my windows and my doors. They done hit up my door twice. They're out here playing with fireworks. That's really good. Let me see. Lighters, unsupervised kids, unruly kids, juvenile delinquents, and firecrackers. That's a great combination, don't you think? Where are the parents? Did they give them the lighter and the fireworks? I gotta wonder that one. They got it from somewhere.